In this video, I will show you how to remove a page from Google search results. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. First, let's access my website live. As you can see, this is my website domain name. First, let's see my indexed page on Google. As you can see, all of these pages are indexed in Google. Let's say that I want to prevent this page, for example, from showing up in Google search results. First, copy the page URL, then go to your account on Google Search Console. From this left side menu, click on Removals, then hit New Request. Fill in your exact page that you want to remove from Google search results, then select remove all URLs with this prefix. Now all link versions that are based on this link will be removed. Click on next, click on submit request, and wait a moment. As you can see, your request is added successfully. Usually it takes between 7 to 10 days to process your deletion request. Then to test if it is removed or not, just copy your link, search just like that site, and add your 2 points, then your address, and it will show up. When your deletion request is processed, no website should appear here. It should look something like that. For example, no results. And this is how to remove a page from Google search results.